up, guys? Welcome back to the Dreamin Diesel channel. Got a little vlog going on today. We are heading down to see Kyluch. We're gonna helping him looking at buying another truck. So we're heading down to Uniontown, PA. To help him take a look at that, and hopefully he ends up buying it. It is a 06 250, 350 crew cab short bed. 6.0, of course.
What is it, crew cab?
Yeah, crew cab short bed.
I thought it was just a crew cab.
No, he's joining the 4 Doors for More Horrors gang.
Ah! Alright.
He's like, yeah, it's the first for him. He's first time he's ever, if he buys it, first crew cab and first short bed truck he's ever owned. So, and of course it's a 6-speed. So you know, Kyluch loves the six speed. So that'll be pretty good. It's an XL, fucking crank, manual, everything. Little 4x4 on the floor, you know. What else? 195,000 miles on it. So yeah, so we're heading down there now. How long are we going for? An hour? Probably an hour.
A little
hour.
It's
a 3-hour drive for us. So a little bit of a trip, but whatever. Have fun with it. Probably end up staying down there tonight. So yeah, we are heading down. I get some video when we're there. Little roller shots along the way. Stay on the fucking road.
My bad.
God damn it. I trust this guy to drive, you know.
Should happen. I don't know.
Anything else?
I don't think so. What are we talking about? We can talk about something.
Alright.
We can talk about the fuckery of the tranny tuning.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I thought I ended it. Didn't end it.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Yes, so
Cindy.
yeah, Cindy, 2012 LML Duramax. How long ago did you tune in the lead?
About a year.
It's been a year?
Almost.
Yeah, almost a year.
9-10 months ago.
Yeah, okay. So when he bought all that shit, he was supposed to get tranny tuning, but for some reason he never got it. ECM tunes are from PPEI, and for some reason it never came with him.
Correct.
I don't know why. So he's been driving it the whole time without tranny tuning, and we were just really, whatever. I don't know. We really noticed that the tranny shifted like shit, so we were wondering why.
Fucked.
Yeah, it was
Not good.
did not shift right. So we started looking into it, and we eventually figured out we did not have the tranny tuning. So he just went ahead and bought it again for whatever reason. But
Got my refund. Refund's back in.
oh.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good.
We're all good.
Okay, so never mind. So that's all good.
A sassy sensations.
What? Oh.
Kyluch, we're making a pit stop, man.
Yeah, we're gonna be a little late. So he gets the tranny tune. He attempts to load it on, and as soon as he does that, truck goes into fucking limp mode. Zero response from the pedal. Will do 10 mile an hour, maybe. Goes very hard from going to reverse to drive. Drops in the gear very hard. Ended up having it towed to the dealership, and they tried to reset the TCM. Couldn't even do that, and they ended up just clearing the codes, and it was fine. So then fast forward to what, today?
Today?
Or he tried to go. Oh, the tranny tunes were from PPEI. He got those from them. He tried to call Duramax Tuner today, and they said they don't really recommend mixing tranny tuning and ECM tuning between different tuners. They also don't offer tunes for deleted trucks anymore, so that wasn't an option. So we went ahead to try the PPEI ones again. So you talked to EasyLink, you talked to PPEI.
I was on the phone for like an hour today.
Yeah,
so not longer.
So
going through everything.
We canceled it out that it wasn't the EasyLink, it wasn't the truck really.
Correct.
Right? Yeah.
That ended up being the tunes.
Yeah. So
long story short, they sent me a different operating system. The operating system of the tunes that they sent me, I don't know, for whatever it was different. They sent me a different operating system on them, and it went right on, no problem. So
yeah, first try. I mean, how many times have we tried before that? Like 5 times?
Yeah,
it still just kept
4 or
going
5.
Straight into limp mode.
Limp mode.
Oh yeah, first EasyLink said to we disconnected the batteries.
Yep.
We kind of let everything reset, and that actually took it out of limp mode, but then we tried to put the tunes on again, and it still didn't work. So yeah, that's what did it. PPEI sent us new, different tunes, when they said different operating system.
Yeah.
So, and they gave us a couple different options too. So we are currently running the high shift, high pressure.
Yep.
And then there's a high pressure option. I think that's it, right?
There's one more too.
I think it was like the same thing.
Pretty much.
So that's, yeah. How you like it?
So far, so good.
Much
Running
better.
for a little while.
Yeah.
Definitely shifts better. Lot better.
Much
Feels
better.
like it's got more power. Whether it does or not, I don't know.
Probably should. It's putting the power to the ground a little better now.
Definitely feels a lot better though. So.
Yeah.
Make sure you have transmission tuning.
Get your tranny tuning on your goddamn Duramaxes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's all good now. Now we have a full-blown race truck now. We have fucking tranny tuning.
Oh, fucking right. Beautiful.
So yeah, so we're getting to go. Oh, we got some... Well, you get a little video. Get some exterior modifications going.
Yep.
There you go. May see that before or after this. I don't know.
Maybe, maybe not. Who knows?
Yeah, headlights, taillights, the whole fucking shebang. We're getting there.
Yes, sir. Window tint?
Oh yeah.
Fucking dark as fuck now.
Darker than fuck. He decided to put 5 over everything. As you can see, and look at the video. It just fucking
it's black
behind us.
Love it.
Yeah, it's like 420. It's still light out, but it sure as shit don't look like it.
That's awesome.
Oh man. Yeah, so we have windshield's 50 with a brow. Everything else is 5 over 20. Fucking dark.
Hell yeah, dude.
Painted windows, bro.
Basically.
We will get you some more videos once we get to the dealership.
Peace out,
Right.
bitches. You shut it off now. You just hit the fucking button. Bruh.
Focus on the windshield, don't it?
Should have just left it hung up there.
Right? Well, I just flipped it around. Be able to move it now.
Oh, that's a beautiful thing.
Damn. Dark as fuck, bruh.
Dark in here.
Fired, baby!
You can see?
Black as fuck.
Now you can't.
I know.
Tint it, baby.
Well, we seem to have a tunnel coming up, or a little bridge, should say. Oh, you know, we're gonna start recording. A little sound clip for you guys.
Kaluch is in front of us.
Kaluch, that's the guy right there. Kaluch. We got Heather and Josh.
Did not end up buying that truck.
Yeah, we'll wrap that up here in a minute.
All right.
Let her eat. So let her eat, not eat that ass. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, sometimes I get them confused.
I got you. Kaluch.
Hey.
Well.
Yeet.
Yeet. We found Kaluch. We found the truck. It was
Dog shit.
quite fucked. Total shit box. We should have filmed when we were there, but whatever. Definitely wasn't worth it.
No.
Thoughts?
Don't have any.
Don't have any.
Not impressed. Disgusted. Drove 3 hours and
Yeah. Total shit box.
the transmission was good.
That's the one good thing was the tranny. That was
but
it. Bed was shot.
yeah.
Motor pulled the fucking dipstick.
Oh yeah, nice creamy milkshake.
Nice
boys.
milkshake for you.
Not the good
Nice
creamy.
brown. Creamy. Definitely not. Total
That's
shit
the
box.
kind of cream
dude.
you want to see when you pull out
Smoky
your
as
dipstick,
hell.
right?
Just sat there and puffing out smoke the whole time.
Garbage. Overall, this night was depressing. Thanks.
And now we're waiting at Texas. Right now we're at Texas Roadhouse.
We're at Texas Roadhouse though. The one good thing of the night.
Hour wait. But
We drove 3 hours to wait for an hour at Texas Roadhouse.
All right.
Sounds good,
We
huh?
got to look at a shitbox truck.
I guess.
We ended it there, or
Yeah, I don't know.
we can film later?
Well,
Maybe.
I can see them in the mirror.
Oh, can you?
Oh yeah.
What are you guys doing back there?
Kaluch!
Yes.
I see you in the mirror.
Huh?
I see you in the mirror.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Don't be spying on me now.